have been having a ton of fun with the exhibitors out at the Mattaway Activity Center for the SawTech Log Expo. Jeremy Bell from Bell's Machining and Hydraulics in Perth joins us now. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good last name. It's why you got the job.
Yeah,
right?
coincidental, but it worked out perfect for me.
Absolutely. All right, so let's talk about Bell's Machining and Hydraulics and what you're all about. What
Okay,
do you
perfect.
do?
So at Bell's Machining, we offer full welding and machining services in-house and also mobile. And what we mainly do is we specialize in building these firewood processors. So we offer about 9 different models of these machines, varying with different conveyors, as you see here. Different splitting wedges, so you can split wood 2 times all the way up to 12 times. The machines are very fast, very powerful. We ship them worldwide as well. We have them coast to coast in North America and in the United States, as well as New Zealand, Australia, Russia. We actually have one that just left this morning in transit to Abu Dhabi.
Wow. Wow,
Yeah.
that's incredible. How long have you guys been in business?
We've been in business for 10 years building these machines.
All right, and talk to us about the model that you have on display this weekend as part of the expo.
Sure, so the model you guys see here today is a 6000 circular saw. It has a 91 horsepower Cat turbo diesel engine and a 54-inch circular saw blade, as well as a 42-ton splitting cylinder. So what that means is this machine is very, very capable, very strong. It has a 3.5-second cycle time. So every 3.5 seconds, you're splitting wood, you're splitting logs into firewood. So it's very fast. It's, you know, comparable to one of the best machines on the market.
And so essentially your customers are those who are selling firewood.
Correct, yeah.
To homeowners, farmers.
Yep, yeah. So our machines, you know, to logging companies, they cut the logs, they split the logs, and they sell to the end user.
Right. So when we're seeing them all nicely packaged up in those bags, now we know how they get there.
Yeah, they all come from one of our machines.
One of these machines here, and you're going to show us how it works.
Yeah, I will.
All right, awesome. This is where Jeremy's really comfortable. I see he hops into the driver's seat there. And you were mentioning that this is very user-friendly. Right?
It is extremely user-friendly, yeah. So our machines offer a nice a cab and operator station. Some of them have air conditioning, so it's very, very comfortable, very nice to use. It's very ergonomic as well, so it's all controlled by this single joystick right here.
Okay.
And it's all digitalized buttons, so you just click the trigger and it will split the wood automatically for you.
Amazing.
So what I'll do is I'll just get the machine up to speed and we'll make a couple cuts and I'll get you to try it out.
All right, sounds good. And it doesn't take too long for the machine to get all fired up and ready to go, which is nice, right?
Yeah, very, very quick, very efficient.
That is quite the saw up there. Wow.
Yeah, it's a big one.
It's intimidating when you see it, and it spins pretty quickly.
It is, but it's very safe. We have guarding in place. It's a very safe machine.
Absolutely. Okay, you're using the joystick now to advance it forward.
Exactly, and then I'll use the same joystick to make a cut.
Okay. Wow. So it's basically just 2 movements of the joystick, and that's how you're cutting through the log.
Exactly, yeah. Would you like to give it a try?
Yeah, let's give it a shot. Okay. Here we go. Okay, Jeremy, so I know I was watching you do it, but now that I'm in here, I'm a little nervous.
So what I'll get you to do is just hold on to the joystick.
Okay.
We're going to pull it towards me.
Okay.
And it's going to make a cut.
Oh, that's awesome. And you can feel that, right?
Yeah,
okay.
for sure. And then you'll push it away from you.
Yeah.
Saw goes back up.
Okay.
And then click the trigger once. And you split your wood.
And then we can see that it's being split.
Exactly.
That is amazing.
Yeah.
That's a pretty easy process. I still wouldn't trust me in here too long, though. But I kind of